it's really hot. Why are you wearing a coat?
Because I'm cold.
But it's like 80-something degrees out.
So?
You should not be wearing a coat.
Why can't I wear a coat?
Because it's hot.
To you, maybe.
Well, it was also really hot that other day at school, and you still wore a freaking coat.
Yeah, but it's my coat! It's my coat! It's my coat! Not even... It's purple. What? It's not purple. I can wear whatever I want to wear when I want to wear it. I don't care! It's my coat! It has everything in it! Guys! What's going on? It's my coat! It wants... Jesus. Shut up, guys, okay? It doesn't matter anyways. Wins. Well, I know another way. It's all this little... We have guns. Guns. Okay. Yeah, the dangerous part. Well, go, I guess. One shot to the chest.
Sounds good to me.
Ready? Every time.
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end.